So when you're thinking of Battle Royale gaming, the MateBook 13 is not the first thing that comes to mind. Yeah, it's very simple, because the first thing that comes to mind with the MateBook 13 is something that is really light, it's portable, it's got a really slick design. Yes, it's got USB Type-C ports, which is great, good battery life, a nice display, which is touchscreen by the way, but gaming is not the first thing that comes to mind. But I'm here to actually show you exactly why games like Fortnite and Overwatch run really well on this laptop. Now, the MateBook 13 is priced at $1,300 for the Core i7 variant. It's got 8 gigs of RAM. It also has an MX150 NVIDIA graphics card, and that does wonders for this device. I'm talking about the ability to go ahead and be productive. So forget gaming for a second. I know we're going to get to that, but forget gaming for a second. Think about it this way. If you're productive, say you're a video editor like myself, you want to do some editing, this works really well. Or even photo editing as well. I'm not good with Photoshop, so I would stay away from that. But editing video, boom, you can do it well with this device. Now, when it comes to gaming and looking at, of course, the two big ones that everyone plays in Battle Royale, I'm talking about Fortnite, I'm talking about Overwatch. This thing is a beauty. Take Fortnite, for example, running around at least 68 frames per second, medium settings, of course, max resolution on this display. It runs bother smooth. So I can kick back, hold my controller and play to my heart's delight. Of course, I plugged it in. Yes, that's just the best way to actually game on any laptop, but it was a really smooth experience. I like that about it. And I was actually impressed to see that with the MateBook 13. So I said, okay, let's try Overwatch. Everyone plays Overwatch. I am terrible at Overwatch, so forgive my gameplay you'll be seeing in this video. That being said, the Overwatch also handled really well. Medium settings, I was doing about 60 to maybe 65 frames per second. If I went to high, I was doing basically 40 frames per second at high, but I stuck to medium settings on here and it ran well, ran smooth. I had no issues. Now, you'll probably ask, does this heat up? Yes, it does, which is why it's best to, of course, just place the laptop down, pick up your controller. In this case, I'm using the SteelSeries Stratus Duo, awesome controller. You can use it on your mobile device, whether it's, of course, maybe like your Huawei Mate 20 Pro or the MateBook 13 here. You can use that controller with both devices, which is pretty cool. I love that about it. But you can check out my video on that controller up. There's a link there for you guys. But again, kicking back and playing, it's really nice. It's really simple. It works really well. And I think this is that device that if you think about all the benefits I mentioned in terms of gaming and also just pure functionality of a laptop, I think this is worth picking up if you're looking for something that gives you that dual nature. You can be productive, you can enjoy great battery life, you've got a touch screen, awesome keyboard. There's so much to this laptop, plus you can game to your heart's delight. So there you have it, guys. That is why I think this is the Battle Royale gaming machine. Yes, the MateBook 13. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. Otherwise, if you want to pick up the MateBook 13, use our link down below. This is an awesome device and I think you absolutely love it. Otherwise, guys, don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment.